See, get more. Napagod na siya. Naubos na.
Do I also put for my upper lip?
Parang hindi naman siya dark. More blending here sa outer corner. Medyo namumuo pa yung color corrector. And then dun sa lash line, dito. Parang namumuo pa siya sa lash line siya. So, you use this for applying, but we're going to use a different blending tool. Kasi pag sponge, matatanggal niya. Kakainin niya lang. So, we're going to use something na mas mama-maximize yung pigment.
Where should I put it? Like, I mean, everywhere na red?
Yeah, oo. Yung spots lang nakitang-kita. You blend it with a dense brush.
Okay. So every time it's green, it's always a brush?
No. Pag flat surface kasi, sa eyes, I prefer using a sponge para hindi siya nag-crease, no? Medyo lighter lang talaga yung lagay ng product. Dito kasi, flat surface naman siya. And usually, yung mga spots natin dito masyadong prominent. So, we use a brush.
Oh, I see.
Oo.
I was getting confused. Kala ko every time you blend, it has to always be with a sponge. So it's like skin-like.
Okay, wala naman nag-peek through.
Should I put also for here or no? need na?
Concealer na lang.
Okay.
You know, it takes me an hour to color correct all my blemishes.
Oh, wow.
Oo, sa mga live streams. Lagay lang tayo sa mga nagpipick through ng kaunti. Kuha ka, and then you need to tap the excess sa gilid ng madami. Huwag dapat sobrang kapal.
Like this?
Konti pa. Yan, okay?
And then anything
Tap
peeking
mo lang
through?
siya. Yeah, oo. Ito medyo madami to. So, wipe mo siya sa paper towel. And then blend mo lang siya. Dito, wala ka naman tinakpan. Drag mo na to upwards.
What do you mean? Like I'll put...
This one, di ba may harsh line? Wala ka naman tinakpan. So, drag mo yung edges upwards. Yan. Para blended siya.
Okay.
Yan. Parang bump dyan. Yan. Kahit yung bump lang. Pag-cover ng bump ko.
That's 128?
Oo.
Okay.
Yung ba yung binili mo?
Yeah. Imagine if it was wrong.
Oo.
I'd be like, oh no, I just followed coach. And then I avoid the under eye. No?
Yeah, and your left line.
Oh, okay.
Oo.
Do I put on my chin?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mabilis ka namang mag-blend eh. And then, this time, instead of using a sponge, try using a brush.
Okay. What brush is
A
this?
buffing brush.
It's not spreading to my under eye.
Basta blend mo muna lahat ng nasa, yan,
Okay.
hairline.
Do I put on like my laugh line?
Yeah. May nagpipeek through lang. Using this one, kuha ka lang ng konting-konti, ubusin mo na yung yan. Dito sa may, ayan o.
Here?
No, here. This one.
This one?
Yan, o. Tap-tap mo lang ng konti.
And then do I continue on with the foundation?
Yan, other side na tayo.
Okay.